Guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we have a pretty cool unboxing. I actually bought another one of these devices, but I didn't have a time to do an unboxing video of it. I wish I would have, to be honest. But we'll go ahead and do an unboxing video of this one here. I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for it because it definitely was on the high side of what I paid. Here we go. I'm going to pull it out of its case it's got on. Might be easier said than done. And here it is. A Samsung Galaxy Note 7 on Verizon. Looks to be dead. Now I do have another Note 7 that I picked up on eBay. And it's brand new. I put a fan edition battery that he sent with it. I put it in. He tried to change the battery out and ended up breaking the back glass on it, sadly. So I have it taped. I did order another back glass, so hopefully it matches close. I know it's not gonna have the IMEI number and stuff on the bottom, but hopefully it's as close as I can get. But now we have, as you can see, this is a Sprint one. And then this is a Verizon one, so there it is working. This has none of the updates on it, so this is still the original firmware it shipped with. So it has no green battery indicator. It was the first model, still in the first firmware, so it's pretty cool. We'll have to see if we can get this one up and running. Probably just needs a charge. I don't know if this is I think in the pictures it showed it had the green battery charging icon, so I don't know if it's the second update where it just shows it's a safe phone and still charges 100%, or if it's going to be on the update above that, which is limited to 60% with the green battery. So we'll have to do some checking. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.